Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to branch. So if you don't know already, you need to be in forest. It's the best spot to branch. Branching is where you hop from branch to branch, like how I'm doing right now. Shoot. I am not at all good at branching, as you probably see right now. But I do know some tips on how to branch. First, you gotta know ahead of time where you are going to jump next, because if you're just jumping randomly, it will look like this. And that is not very good. You need to know which branch. You have to have an eye on which branch you want to get to. So from point A to point B, you need to know where you're going. I want to go to that branch all the way up there. Let's go. See, I got it. I got up here. And it didn't take much effort. But if you practice doing this enough, you should be able to start going fast. It's like this. Once I get up there, okay, like this. That was fast enough, but you also want to make sure that you're not branching on thin branches like this one, because it's easy to fall off like this. It's easy to fall off and miss, which is why you don't want to branch on thin branches. Always on like thicker branches like this one right here. Yeah, so you can even start jumping or branching on different platforms like that. Be careful to not hit your head like I just did. Right there. I was like that. You don't want to hit anything that could mess everything up. Because if you mess it up, then you're probably gonna get tagged. So, like this. And I just fell. Okay. I can't branch for too long or else I'll fall. You can also scale trees by branching. To scale a tree, it's basically just branching on one tree. So, what if I want to scale this big tree? Let's start from the bottom. Whichever branch is closest to the ground is the one you want to go to. So, like this. Then you would want to go to not there, because that's too far away. You would want to go up. And then you would want to go up here. And then over here. And yeah, sometimes you fall, but you really need to practice. So like this. I just failed again. But yeah, you can also scale a tree once you learn how to branch. This is one of the harder skills in forest, besides wall running, which I actually suck at. But yeah, if you scale a tree, you could eventually get to the top. What the heck? Yeah, you could get to the top. Like this. Let's see if we can scale a tree from the bottom. How about let's try this tree? This one would be good. Jump up over here, over here. Just got on one branch that wasn't on this tree. Yeah. There. scale this tree. But yeah, you're mostly gonna be finding the branching skill in this map. You can probably find it in different maps, but this is probably one of the most essential skills if you want to be good at forest. So hopefully you guys can train and practice what I'm teaching you, and hopefully you find this useful, because if not, this entire video will be useless. So hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video. The next skill that I will be doing is the last skill for forest that I can think of, and that will be wall running. And I don't think that video will be very good. I'll probably have to try and do it multiple times because I kind of suck at it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. Bye everyone.